Now here you can see that when I just click on install and accept the license agreement and click on proceed, here you can see that it is showing me download pending option. Alright, so now to fix this, what you need to do is just cancel it from here and just go to your applications and just drag this Play Store and go to the app information. Alright, and now just click on force stop, click on OK. Now after force stopping, just click on clear data from here and click on OK. It will take time to compute this data, alright, around 10 to 15 seconds. And now just open up Play Store again and now just install any app from here. Click on install, accept, click on proceed. Now here you can see that it is downloading the file. Alright, so this way you can just get rid of this download pending option. Here you can see it is downloading.
Thank you for watching. Now it's time to discover more. Simply click on the screen to subscribe to our channel and watch another video to discover more.